My name is Ekene Tharpe, and I am the Department Chair of Horticulture at Reynolds Community College. I'm also Assistant Professor of Horticulture. National Garden Month is meaningful to me because it brings attention to the wonderful world of horticulture. We're so used to being around these plant materials that sometimes we take them for granted. And so for the broader community, it's an opportunity to recognize that horticulture doesn't just happen. We aren't a forest, we are a cultivated, intentional process that brings both health benefits in terms of your mental health, but also health benefits for your physical health, what you eat in the grocery store. All of those come from gardens, no matter what shape or size or form. All of this is emphasized in Garden Month, which is why it means so much to me, but also the community as a whole.